Alright folks, today let's talk about something called image frequency. And we're going to get into why that's important when we're talking about mixers and RF. Now if you remember my original diagram here, I said if I want to tune in 1.09 megahertz, I'll make my LO be 46.09, such that the difference between 46.09 and 1.09 works out to be exactly 45, and it goes through. No problem. But, as this diagram is shown right here, there's a problem with this. What we're not accounting for is what's called the image frequency. Oh boy. What the hell am I talking about? One thing, when you want to know where the image frequency is, you first have to draw a diagram like this. And you simply have to say, you put your LO, so our LO is 46.09, and then you simply go minus IF from that and plus IF. Well, our IF frequency is 45 megs. So 46.09 minus 45, that works out to be 1.09. That's the signal we want. But if we take the LO, which again is 46.09, and we add 45, we get 91.09. Well, 91.09 is in the FM band. So this frequency up here at 91 megahertz is also going to mix down to 45. So we need to have a filter here to filter out this image frequency. And you can start seeing by this diagram here that you want to have your LO and your IF be as wide as possible so that it makes the job of filtering not that much difficult. So this is our final proposed idea here. We got our antenna coming in, a low pass filter with a cutoff frequency of 5 megs. We still got our LO tuned to 46.09, and now the only signal that's going to be up here at 45 megahertz is the signal that's at 1.09. And that 91 guy that's up here, if he is up here, is going to get filtered or squashed by that low pass filter. So that's why that low pass filter is needed, such that the image frequencies are attenuated before they go in the mixer. And again, when you have an LO and the IF, you want the LO and IF frequency to be wide as possible so that it makes it easy on this filter for its requirements. Well, I hope you learned something today about image frequency. Moonshine Radio.